Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Infinite Knowledge, and today we are talking about how to do hexadecimal addition. It is a very simple if you illustrate or if you do it by the simple decimal addition that we had done in the school level. So first you have to know the simple concept about the hexadecimal. So what is a hexadecimal number? Then you have to know the hexadecimal number contains 0 to F. Means what? These are the number contained in hexadecimal: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then in hexadecimal 10, if simple, in hexadecimal you have to write 10 as A, 11 as B, C, D, E, F. This is how the number, and these are the number that is in the hexadecimal, and total 16 number in the hexadecimal number system. So if I illustrate or distinguish both these are the hexadecimal number system and these are the simple decimal number system. So 0 is stands for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then in decimal, A is 10, B is 11, C is 12, D is 13, E is 14, and F is a 15. Now if you further increment, so then what happened? 16, 17, 18, 90. These are the up to 90, 20. Then you have to 16 is in, these are the decimals number. So what is hexadecimal of the 16? 10. What is a hexadecimal of the 17? These are the decimal number. Then what is the hexadecimal number of the 17? That is a 11. For 18 it is a 12. For 19 it is a 13. There are some methods in which you have to convert, or you are able to convert the decimal number into the hexadecimal number. How you are able to convert? So for watching this video, I have already made this video. You can see that video, and I have already given the link in the description, so it will be more clear. First you see this video, how to convert a decimal number into a hexadecimal number system. So first I have to ask you that if you are doing the hexadecimal addition, you have to first write this type of table that may be more clear to understand this concept properly. So we have to do the addition simple like a decimal. You have to follow the decimal addition rule for the doing the hexadecimal division, and the answer will come in the decimal. If I added this both the thing d plus b by the simple decimal method, I will give the answer in the decimal, and then I have to convert that answer into a hexadecimal and directly put here. So what is a d? Simple. Well, let's get started of how to do a addition of the hexadecimal. So what is d? First, this is a hexadecimal. D is the 13. D is a 13 in simple decimal, because we have to add like a decimal. So this is a 13, and what is a b? B is 11. So simple, 13 plus 11. What we get? 3 plus 1 4, 1 plus 1 2, 1 plus 1 2. So this is a 24 in decimal. Now we have to convert this 24 into hexadecimal. What is hexadecimal of the 24? So if I further write here 20, so if I further write 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, then what I get? 13, and then the 19 for 13, 20. The hexadecimal of 20 is 14. The hexadecimal of 21 is 15. The hexadecimal of 22 is 16. Hexadecimal of 23 is 17. Hexadecimal of 24 is 18. So by this method you directly get the 18. But if you don't want to write this table, then what you have to do? It is a very simple. You have to do the sometime this type of calculation in which you have to subtract this 24 by 16. Now what happened? 16 into 1 16. Okay, 16 into 2 32. The 32 is more than 24, so you don't use this value. You have to use 16 into 1 16. So 16 into 1 16. 16 minus, here is a 24, so 24 minus 16, 24 minus 16 I get 8. So I have to write 8 here, because 24 minus 16. Now if the any number here any number, it is less than 16, then directly write that number here. So and write opposite way. So what we get 18. You see we get 18 by this table method also, and as well as by this subtraction method. And another rule, you have to multiply 16 into 0. So 16 into 0 0 and 1 will directly come here. So what we get 18 by both method. This is a subtraction, or this is a division method, and this is a simple table method, but it is a lengthy, this method is lengthy. So you have to subtract directly this way and get the simply answer. So what we get 13 plus 11. In decimal it is a 24. 13 plus 11 in decimal it is a 24, but in the hexadecimal we have to convert this decimal value into hexadecimal value, and that is a 18. So you have to write 8 here and 1 is carry. So now once again, simple decimal, 8 plus 1 9. 9 in decimal, you can see 9 in decimal is same as 9 in hexadecimal. This is a decimal number system and this is a hexadecimal number system. Both in the 9 is the same, so I have all, I can write directly 9 here. Now further, 3 in decimal plus e. 3 in decimal plus what is e? E means 14 in the decimal. So 14 plus 3 17 in decimal. So what is the hexadecimal of the 17? That is the 11. So I have already write 1 here and 1 here. I can write 1 here because 11 70 is in decimal number, and what is hexadecimal of the 17? That is a 11 in hexadecimal. So I write 1, this 1 is here and this 1 is carry. Now simple, once again the addition like decimal number system. 1 in decimal plus c. What is c? In hexadecimal c is 12. 12 in the decimal number system. Hexadecimal number system it is a c, but when we are talking about the decimal number system it is a 12. So I have to write 12 because we are doing a decimal addition, not a hexadecimal addition. We first do the decimal addition and then the answer. Then if we get any answer and that answer is to be converted into a hexadecimal number system, you have to follow this method. This is very simple. You have, if you directly do the hexadecimal addition, that may not possible, it will be very confusing. So by follow this method, it is a very simple. Plus 9 and it is in decimal. So if I simply add this value 1 plus 12 plus 9, I know that is a 22. 22. So answer is our 22 in the decimal system. So I have to convert this 22 into hexadecimal number system. So how I can convert it? So from the table 22 in decimal, and what is the hexadecimal of it? 16. So we get 16 here. You have to follow this method. If you don't know, or if you don't have this table, then you have to divide like this way and you get the same answer, and that is 16. 16 in 22 in decimal number and 16 in hexadecimal. So you get 16 in hexadecimal. So 6 is here and 1 is here. Same decimal addition. 1 plus 7 8. 8 plus d. What is d? D means 13. So 13 plus 8, it is a 21. Now you have to convert. 21 is in decimal. Now you have to convert into a hexadecimal number system. So this 21 is in the decimal and you have to convert in hexadecimal, and that is a 15. So 5 is here and 1 is here. So now you have to once again add like a decimal addition. 1 plus a means 10 plus 8. What we get? We get 19. 19 in decimal. So 19 in decimal, and what is hexadecimal of it? It is a 13. So 1 is here, 3 is here. Now once again 1 plus 2, it is a 3. So what we get? We get this type of answer by the adding this 16. If you don't have the calculator, then you go to the Google and directly write the hexadecimal addition, and if you write this value on that calculator, you get this value. So let's check it. For check the answer, First, you have to go on the Google and write the hexadecimal addition. So first write hexadecimal addition on the Google and go to the hex calculator. It is illustrated here, and now you have to put all the values that we want to add 2a7c dot 30d, but you don't have to put here dot, otherwise it will give a error and it will not show the answer. But if you get the answer at last, you have to only cut the dot, and 3 dot you have to cut the 3 dot from the last side, so it is not a problematic. You have to understand this thing, and it is a very simple to understand. I hope you understand this video. Like and subscribe my channel Infinite Knowledge. Thanks for watching.